I ain't learn to depend on yourself. Do you look a 9 to 5, my darling? Collect your check on Friday morning. Listen, guys, you know you're an alcoholic when you drink on a Monday. Happy Monday. So basically I am waiting for the bus to get to work. There's currently a system in place where buses are taking school kids first and then like the normal bus will obviously come a little while after. So yeah, I'm just waiting really. I am literally vlogging. This is out of my comfort zone on the road to provide content, so please do like, comment and share. If you're not part of the family, then welcome to the family. I hope you do join us. Over here we're lit, you know. Let me check the bus time, hold on. Oh bus, hold on.
6 hours later.
Look at the quality of this camera. I love my husband, you know? Pretty for China, girl. You should do a bit of nail modeling on OnlyFans.
Oh my god.
I know, right?
It's such a nice feeling, isn't it? Like,
Yeah, but people really think that I won't run them over.
you get 100 points for that, Bentley.
No, but seriously, like, I will slow down, but if I hit you, then for your business.
No, don't be like that, because you can kill somebody.
Yeah. Just use your horn, girl.
Yeah.
That £1 taxation is a lot. Chin chin.
You tell me, where the strawberries then?
We eat it. Look at Yolanda's bumper in the camera. Give them a little twirl now.
On the
Swear word. No.
Said the swear word. Don't be trying to
Make money. Where did you get that from, mate?
tell me.
Chin 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 chin. That's right. Hey, I'm gonna put some music over that.
I can not take it away. Quickly. And I live with me still shop at DS. Even if friends don't wear it. And then I buy it. I'll catch me, darling. It's just on Friday morning. Shit. What a good thing when I live to impress people. Yeah, yeah. I won't impress people. Me just I live my life.
I ain't learn to depend on yourself. Do you look a 9 to 5, my darling? Collect your check on Friday morning. Guys, I'm so upset that my camera is going to die. See, what the heck and words? What the heck and words? What the heck and words, right? Man, when I got miss the little Julsz's story and my camera, I got dead. I'm very upset because this would have made perfect entertainment.
Em, where are you?
Hurry up because the camera's dying.
I need your hair.
Are you filming it?
I'm gonna well, they're not really gonna hear what I'm saying because this can't really make the internet. Serious.
Yeah, in your younger days.
Come here, you have to finish this. Magnum. Okay, whatever.
And I've noticed Anthony does it now. But
Me? What do I do?
Belch.
Do I belch? You know, hear them say, let fart be free, that's what killed Marilyn. Me now make no poop kill me.
Presley died on the toilet.
Listen, don't
He was constipated from eating so many cheeseburgers, he died on the toilet. Why are you laughing?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
Why is I not saying that?
Because this, basically I bought this tripod in America and it's up.
I'll just collect Anthony's.
Welcome back to my channel. I'm with the beautiful Yolanda anymore and more. You understand? Peace out. Lay her down. That was the pretty hands that you saw earlier on, because you know my hands ain't no lie.
And I've got some handy more hands.
Guys, if you are looking for a handy more, as in like someone that can do every and anything in your house, you need to hook up with Handy More. Yeah, you can hook up with her through me.
The link will be in the bio.
Right? The link will be in the bio.
Handy more one.
I personally think we should have this once a month.
What? That's not enough.
That's not enough.
You're boring, man. You're not have no style.
If
You
you
have
should
no
just
style.
say to me, you're not even 30, why are you so boring?
Oh!
That's what I said to you. You got a whole
Guys, underneath the soul at Yolanda. Oh my god, you just burned me, bitch.
Why did you touch it?
I don't know. Why is it hot?
the UV light, that's why. You've got to hold it by the little knob. Remember, I did warn you before.
No, she burnt. No, you set that up. Mommy, if you're watching this vlog, Yolanda try to kill me with the UV light.
I lied.
We're alcoholics. We finished Bel Air. We finished the Magnum.
The Ray and nephew that was left.
No, but I have got
You should be accurate in your storytelling.
We had Bel Air. We had Magnum. We had a Ray and nephew.
That is a lot of drinks combined.
Oh
and now
my
you're drinking
gosh.
rosé.
And now we're drinking this pink thing called Pink Orchid.
orchid.
Oh my god, you know this is butters? This is a Monday evening.
Oh, did you see what I put on my snap? Did you watch my snap?
Yeah.
Happy Monday.
Listen, guys, you know you're an alcoholic when you drink on a Monday.
Why the wine shop? The wine shop where I work is open. The wine shop.
Really?
They don't. They
But
don't
they're
sell.
but they're not essential workers.
Exactly, but they have been open the whole time.
My belly's curdling.
What wine was that?
My belly's curdling.
You need to ease up for
Something,
us.
you know what mom was trying to give us here? At first, she was going to give us rum cream. I said, no rum cream. I said, no. Hey, some shit and poop all that does.
That would have proper curdle up your stomach, man. Nice little chin wag. Don't forget subscribers, okay? She does sell lip glosses. Where is my lip gloss, by the way?
My lip gloss is
My lip gloss is popping. Yeah. And if you don't buy a lip gloss, then you're not a real subscriber. Yeah, you're just fastening her business. Okay.
You better buy when your money can buy food from an TV. Woman, see your confidence. I feel up in the head, I am down. You would like to have it all. But I can take from leave, so I'm calling you now. What? It's gonna rain. You know what this
What's the problem, huh?
Your time, you do once, but not a second time. I'm looking at the front door. The couples I met, from the day that I saw you, I knew that we would pursue. Baby girl, you're my world, my everything. I wanna let you down, every ring, give me everything you dream, and then it's out. My love for you will never end. Time I look at you, I can't believe you had a love so true. And I'm so thankful for my trust in you. I must admit it wasn't hard to do. How many times I gotta let y'all bitches know why so many bitches wanna take my flow? Too hot, too dope, so like this, insert some mimosa. Who the fuck though?